Guys, Dylan here at Mid-South LED. Today we got a new product for you. It's going to be upgraded fog lights for the 22 and up Silverado 1500 refresh model. So what this is going to entail is 2 diode SS3C pods. They come in a bunch of different options, power levels, beam patterns, white lights, amber lights. These are pretty cool. They have an amber backlit option too, so when you're driving and you don't want your fog lights on, they can light up amber faintly just to look like it's illuminated. I would say this is going to be the Pro series. You got the Sport series, which is the lower end. You got the Pro that's middle tier, which is extremely bright. And they got a new version out called the Max version, which is insane. I would say the Sport would be at least double as bright as the factory headlights. These Pros, they're ridiculous. I don't even know what you compare it to, maybe 8 times as bright. And then the Max, I haven't even had those here to compare, but I want to say they're double as bright as the Pros. Today we're going to show you how to install these, what they look like on the truck, possibly how to make them look better on the truck because of some flaws from GM. In the package you'll get 2 of these. You'll get a left and a right bracket with the pods pre-installed, and you'll get 2 plug-and-play harnesses. So these harnesses, they'll just plug in the back here. That'll plug into your factory connector, and this will be your backlit option, which pretty much will have another piece of wire that taps into it, and you tap it into your running light on your truck. We're not going to show you how to do that today because this is a rental car. We don't want to cut and splice on nothing on there. But it's pretty simple. You get the concept. You do not have to hook up that option as well. The tools you'll need to do this, this is optional, a flashlight. You'll need a 7mm extension. You don't necessarily need a flathead. And then a panel popper will make it a little easier for you too. So let's dive in here, check this thing out, and show you how to do this. Alrighty guys, so for starters, we're gonna have 3 7mm bolts. We're gonna have one here, one over here, and one at the very top up there, which you'll need an extension for. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these bad boys off. Start with the first one. I'm definitely doing this in an awkward angle. Oh wow. And then you can actually do this before, but right here you need to pop this little Christmas tree clip out. And then up here you're gonna have your wiring harness, which I'll flip this down so you can see this. Well, maybe. So you have that little red clip right here. Push it down. This thing's filled up with mud, so it's going to be a pain in the butt. If it's a pain in the butt, you can always take a flathead, kind of stick it down in there and pry it up a little bit. There we go, like that. And then it just pops out. And that actually took me way too long to do. It'd probably be a lot quicker for y'all to do that. So you're going to get that out of here. All right, now that you got your fog light out, you're just gonna take this bad boy right here, flip it around, it's upside down. And it literally bolts up exactly where the factory one goes. I like to start one of them as far as I can go at least. There is guide pins on these brackets, and there's little guide holes, and there's pins on the front of this that helps you line everything up. All right, now we just tighten these bad boys up. tighten them up, plug it up, and be good to go. You're gonna push that clip back. You can grab some zip ties, zip tie it to the top of that bracket right there if you want. And this little wire coming out right here, that's the backlit option. You'll have another little harness that clips to that, and you can tap it into your headlight if you do want that backlit option. If not, just zip tie it up, get it out of the way. It's not gonna hurt anything. Well, now that we got it installed, let's go up here and see how she looks.
You never know what's around the next corner.
If these things drive you crazy, which they drive me crazy, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them out. First, I'm gonna start cutting them out with some, these are flush cutter dikes, Snap-on, or I think Icon makes them at Harbor Freight. It just gives you a really close cut. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get as close to the edge as I can, cut it. Same here. Cut it. And we're gonna clean that up some too when we're done with a little Dremel. If you mess this piece up cutting that for some reason, I think this piece is like $100 from GM. It's not too bad. Alrighty guys, if you're looking to upgrade your fog lights on your Silverado, we finally got a solution for it. There's not going to be anything else on the market that can compete with the light output on this whatsoever. Go to MidSouthLED.net and you can find it on there, purchase it, we can ship it to you, or you can bring it to us out here in Mason, Tennessee, and we can install it for you. If you could, just go ahead and give us a like and subscribe, and maybe share this video to one of your buddies. We appreciate it.